Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to speak about how can a woman be safe in some places. First of all, I am not an adult or an aged person to give advices to women or girls. But also, as all of us know, day by day the violence against the women are increasing. Lots of news are coming. I always used to think I need to do something related on this matter. But also, I'm just an 17 years old boy. I cannot do anything big related on this. Then I thought at least I can speak about it, right? I can create an awareness so that if someone sees it, they will be safe. If one or two also sees it, they will be safe. They will say it to their brother or a sister or their other friends or neighbors, etc. For that reason, I'm making this video. Okay, let's start with the first safety tip. Nowadays, lots of women are traveling by public transportations like buses, taxi, rickshaw, auto, trains, etc. Lots of women are traveling alone. Please avoid traveling alone. Try to travel with someone else like parents, friends, or brother or a sister. Okay, if you think that cannot be done, then try to make friends with someone who can look out for you. Someone in the sense, not like someone going the road, like your neighbors. Try to make friends with them so that they can look out for you, they can help. Okay. Second point is learn some self-defense like karate, boxing, etc. Okay, at this lockdown it's really difficult, uh, but also uh, in this generation, all of the women must having a mobile in your hand, and also now lots of free time out there. Okay, what you need to do is go to YouTube, search for some videos to learn some self-defense like boxing or karate. Okay, you can do it. It's not mean that you need to go for the classes. You have an internet with you, you have a mobile with you or a laptop. Search some videos for learning some self-defense. It can help you in future. Okay, if you get a problem, you can come over it. You can fight with villains. Okay, so do it. Third one is, uh, if you're staying at a hotel alone, don't open your doors for strangers. Okay, if you accept a hotel employee to come inside your room for housekeeping, cleaning, or something else, keep the door open. Or if he comes in, you go outside. Nowadays we cannot believe anyone, especially women cannot believe anyone. That's why I'm saying do it. Okay. Okay, let's go for a fourth point. If you're walking by road, always keep your mobile in your hand. Okay, not only road, if you're going inside shopping or going to shopping. Okay, by walking, keep a mobile in your hand always, please. Okay, if you suspect something going to happen, or if you suspect that someone is following you, what you can do is immediately you can contact the police. Okay, that's why I'm saying. Okay, another one is, lots of women go to shops alone. Okay, if you're going to shops alone and coming back, okay, when you finish shopping, you will be come back, right? You will go to a parking lot where you parked your vehicle. Okay, that time please don't go alone. You don't know, there might be someone waiting for you, a thief or someone. Okay, what you need to do is take a security guard with you, the shop security guard. Okay, not someone else. In almost all of the malls or shops there might be a security guard. Take your security guard with you if you're going alone. Okay, now last point but not the least, stay strong and be brave to be a woman. Thank you and have a nice day.